Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume level on this device. So, to change its level, you just have to slide your finger like this, then go to its settings, and here you can find the option sounds. You can set it to high, medium, low, or you can just disable sound at all. And that's how you can switch your volume, sound on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.